We've always told you that when it comes to collision repair, we are number one. See what we did with this accidental Toyota Corolla.
For this job, our team prioritized body precision, saving costs for the customer, and restoring this automobile wonder back to its original value.
We've made sure that every part of this car has been restored with surgical precision.
From the edges, angles, everything. Our body works will leave you cut in between.
Shey na first body be dis, abi no be first body?
If you want your car brought back to life, we are the masters in the arts. Visit us at F1 Roundabout, Ukwa, Abuja. Bonus Autos, simply the best.